Next trap. There it is there. There's the tape, there's the trap, 5 meters off the track. Community groups do this a lot. They've got a nice highway like this, and yet they'll put the trap off the track because they think it's going to get interfered with by people, and I get that, and that's okay te pai. But if you're on a track that doesn't get a lot of use, and these tracks are put in for the trapping network, these roads, these ridges, these rivers, these hedgerows, these animal runs, think ours. That's what critters utilise in the bush as their travel ways. They're not across the landscape in a grid pattern like we so often set our trap devices. Actually, the reason that 20% of the traps catch 80% of the critters is that 20% of the traps are in the mean as spots. That's not a mean as spot. I would shift that 5 meters to just here, and the critters running these trails are going to encounter it far more often and be far more engaged with it. So let's get that trap and let's put it back up here. All right, we've set this trap off with a sock because we don't want to dry fire. Those welds have got to last. Okay, and here is a really good track junction. We'll put it on a nice flat surface here. It's always good to bed the trap in very carefully. Critters don't like standing in wobbly things. Let's have the entrance poking out onto State Highway 1 as they turn off onto State Highway 5. Bed it down. Again, the scuffs make it interesting. And then we'll go through that same process again. Blazing, pre-feeding, setting it up, making it work. If you put your traps, runs, rivers, roads, ridges, hedgerows, tree rows, you're gonna catch critters and counter critters far more than down off the side.